how to be confident in any conversation. If you've ever overthought a text for 20 minutes, replayed a conversation in your head all night, or stayed quiet because you didn't know what to say, then this video right here may change your life, because social skills are not skills that people are born with. They learn them. Social skills is something that you train. And today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to go from being awkward to socially intelligent, step by step. So make sure you stay to the end, because the last tip that I give is what separates confident people from everyone else. Here's the biggest lie that you've ever been told. Some people are just naturally social. No. Socially confident people will simply learn 3 things early. 1, how to manage anxiety. 2, how to make others feel good. 3, how to stop obsessing over themselves. Social anxiety isn't a personality flaw. It's a focus problem. Awkwardness happens when your attention is stuck on, how do I look? What do they think of me? Am I being weird? Confident people focus on, how can I make this interaction better? That shift alone changes everything. So this is what I want you to do for those of you who battle with being socially confident. Rule number 1, understand that before you speak, your body already has. What do I mean? Here's what most people don't realize. Confidence is read physically before it's heard verbally. So fix this simple thing first. Start here. Shoulders back, chin up, eye contact when speaking, slower movements, and slower speech. Just talk slower. Understand when you're nervous, you rush. And when you rush, that signals insecurity. And when you signal insecurity, people subconsciously respond to it. Just slow down. Even if you feel nervous, move calmly. Your brain will eventually catch up to your body. Just take it slow, all right? Here's a pro tip. Next time you walk into a room, move 10 times slower than normal. You will instantly feel more grounded. Rule number 2, stop trying to be interesting. Here's a secret that nobody tells you. People don't like you because you're impressive. They like you because they feel good around you. So instead of trying to say something smart, try asking better questions. Instead of asking, what do you do? Try, what's something you've been excited about lately? Instead of, how was your weekend? Try, what made this week good or terrible? Understand this, confidence isn't dominating the conversation. It's guiding it. And when your conversations allow people to be seen, they automatically gravitate to you. Rule number 3, embrace micro rejection. This is when most young men and women fail. They avoid social risk. They don't start conversations, compliment people, speak up in groups, say what they really thinking. And why is that? It's simple. Fear of rejection. But here's the twist. Every socially skilled person that you admire have gone through rejection hundreds of times. I promise you. Anybody that you look to or you compare your social confidence to, they have went through being rejected time after time after time. You can't get around it. Confidence is built through exposure. So here's your 7-day challenge. Yep, I got a 7-day challenge for you. Day 1 and 2, start one small conversation daily. Just start a conversation. Random person, somebody that you haven't talked to in a while, somebody at your job, somebody, a friend, family member, your choice. Days 3 and 4. This is a big one. Give 1 compliment daily. So after you have just started a conversation, give compliments. Compliment people. Hey, I like your dress today. Hey, I like your nails. Hey, bro. I like that outfit. I like them sneakers. I like that hat. Hey, yo, them tats is fire. Give compliments daily. Day 5 and 6, this is a big one. Share an opinion daily. Just give your opinion about a topic. Give your opinion about something that you saw, something that you read. something that you experience, whether it's on social media, whether you're talking to a coach or a friend or cousin, your wife, your brother, whoever. Just give your opinion about a topic. And day number 7, introduce yourself to someone new. Go out and meet somebody, whether it be church, whether it be at a game, whether it be at some type of function, a bar, a restaurant. Just introduce yourself to somebody. Hello, my name is such and such. I like your dress. Hello, my name is Trey. You a Ravens fan. Bro, I like that hat that you rocking. Where did you find it? Introduce yourself to someone new. Social skills grow through repetition, continually getting reps and doing the same thing over and over, not theory. Now hear this. This is the real transformation. Social confidence is not about techniques. It's not about techniques. It's about identity. Stop saying I'm awkward, I'm bad at talking, I'm introverted. Instead say, I'm learning social skills. Understand that your brain listens to how you describe yourself. You are the words that you think. So why not put positive energy, positive words, positive thoughts into your mind? If you label yourself as socially awkward, your brain is going to unconsciously behave that way. I mean, it's simple. It's no trick to it. If you see yourself as someone improving, your behavior changes drastically. Identity drives action. Action builds confidence. So here's what confident people truly, truly understand. It's not about being liked by everyone. It's about being okay if you're not. When you stop needing approval, you become naturally magnetic. Why? Because neediness repels. Security attracts. The moment you are okay walking away from a conversation, you stop performing and you start being real. And that's when people actually connect with you. So here's the truth. You're not socially awkward. Let's throw that out the window. You're not socially awkward. You're just untrained. And the good news, this channel is always about the good news. Social skills are learnable. You can learn how to be socially confident. Every conversation is practice. Every awkward moment is training. Every rejection is progress. If this video helped you out, comment, I'm leveling up.